Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're gonna love it here, and if you're returning, what's up? For this video, I will be doing a simple, cute, natural style pony. This style is so convenient when you need something quick. Stick around to see the steps that I did and the products that I used to achieve this look. Before I get started with the tutorial, I would like to show y'all this edge control set from ARHGOAT. So it came with some edge control, obviously. This edge control is natural and it has aloe in it. The set also included a mini edge control that I could take on the go and an edge brush. Be on the lookout later on in this tutorial to watch me put this edge control to use. In addition to receiving the edge control set, I also received their lace glue. The consistency of this glue seems to be a little more watery than the lace glue that I'm used to using. On the back of the bottle, it states that you need to shake well before use, which isn't an issue in my opinion. Since the glue is a thinner consistency, I say that it makes it easier for the glue to dry down, especially when trying to do multiple layers. Now that I've applied the glue, here I am laying the wig down. I'm not gonna lie, this lace did what it needed to do. As you can see, here I am pulling and tugging on the wig, and that lace in this wig ain't going nowhere. As you can see, this glue definitely has a firm hold. And did I mention that it was waterproof? Alright, now let's get started on this tutorial. So my hair is up because I've already set the placement on where I want my ponytail to sit. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried. And then I went in with my hot comb to help get my hair a little more sleek without having to pull out a flat iron. So to be sure that I will have a nice flat ponytail, I like to section off my hair so that I can mold down the middle of my head before molding down the rest of my head. As you can see, I am not wasting no time when doing this. This doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is pretty sloppy. The goal is just to leave out the perimeter of my hair. Now I'm going to brush out what's left in the middle section, then put it into a bun. To make things easier, I'm going to put the rest of the hair in a ponytail just to get it out the way to make it easier for when it's time to mold down the middle section. Here's a better look of what I got going on. I knew that the parting wasn't perfect in the front, but the back, I didn't know it was this bad. Anyways, moving on. For the mold down, I will be using the Gummy Professional styling wax. I'm going to start off by using a hard brush to make sure that there isn't any lumps and bumps. Next, I'm going to go in with the wax. I'm applying the wax near my roots first, then later on work my way up. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount of this styling wax because you want your hair to be nice and flat. I also recommend that you use a hard brush because it's really going to smooth everything out. This isn't an eco style or water-based type of gel. This is a wax. The consistency is much more thicker and you kind of got to move quickly because once it starts to dry down, your hair does stay in place and become stiff. Once I get everything smoothed out using my hard brush, I then go in with my soft brush to make the top layer nice and smooth. And just like that, the middle section is done. Here I am putting it back into a ponytail. Next, I will be molding down the rest of the hair, which is the perimeter. First things first, I must brush out my baby hairs. Well, I guess I would consider combing my baby hairs out because I am using a comb. And now we're ready to go. I have my perimeter in a ponytail and my baby hairs are left out. Like before, I'm going to start off by brushing my hair with the hard brush. Although this time my hair is going to lay down a little bit before directly adding any product to it. Simply because of the middle mold down and because I have product already in the brush. Here is a back view of me adding the wax in the back. To be honest, I could have added a little bit more product, but I still made it work. Here I am brushing it out with my hard brush. As you can see, it's looking nice and sleek. I will be continuing the exact same process throughout the front of my head. But this time, instead of starting off by brushing it with a hard brush, I used an edge brush instead. The main focus right now is the edges or near my roots in the front. So you will only see me applying it in that area for right now. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to apply the wax throughout the rest of the hair. Once everything is all molded down, I'm going to remove the ponytail from the center of my head and redo the entire ponytail as one. I am finally done with the mold down, and this is what it's given. Now I am braiding my ponytail, getting it prepared for when it is time to add the hair. Once the braid is complete, I'm going to fold it in half, then secure it with a rubber band. Moving on to my favorite part, the baby hairs. So I'm going to start off by using my skinny flat iron to curl them. I like to curl them going up because it makes it easier for when it is time to swoop them. Usually the baby hairs is my last and final step, but the hair that I will be using for my ponytail makes it so much easier to do it, so you'll see later on in the tutorial. Now that my baby hairs are curled, I'm going to use my edge brush to figure out the placement on where I want everything to lay. Doing your edges is art because it's so many different ways and styles that you can do them. Like, you can really get creative when it comes to this. I don't know, I just love doing my baby hairs. I will be using the ARHGOAT edge control for my baby hairs. The consistency of this is very smooth and it has a nice hold. So here I am adding the edge control to my hair. Sometimes I go for the fluffy baby hair look, but for this specific style, I want my baby hairs to be laid. Now that I've added the edge control, I'm going to lock the baby hairs in place. Like, just look at that. This edge control is definitely doing what it needs to do. For years, I didn't add any baby hairs to the middle section of my head because of my widow's peak, but lately I've been working with it. Now that the baby hairs are complete on one side of my head, I'm gonna move on to the other side. Finally, let's get into this pony. This is my first time using this, and it's like an instant ponytail. It's quite obvious what the curly hair is for. That's the actual ponytail. But if you were wondering, the straight piece that I have held off to the side is for the band. It has a piece of Velcro attached to it, and it's basically used to hide the tracks. And this is what the other side of it looks like. If my explanation doesn't make sense, hopefully it makes sense once I show the demonstration. So here we go. So I'm going to use the built-in clip that's inside of this instant ponytail and clip that to my braid. Once that's clipped on, I'm going to tightly wrap that straight piece of hair around the ponytail. Once I bring the piece around, the Velcro pieces will meet, and then all I am left with is the straight piece of hair, which I will wrap around to cover the Velcro. If you were doing a regular ponytail, you will also do the same thing, but to cover the track. This piece will get wrapped around until it isn't any hair left, and that's it. The ponytail is done just that quick, and what makes it even better is that I could take it off every night. The ponytail isn't complete just yet. Of course, I have to add my final touches, so here I am just cutting a little bit of the ponytail. I didn't really care for the original length. I wanted it to be a little shorter and more natural looking. Next, I'm going to go in with my razor comb to create some layers. Like I said before, I'm going for a natural look, so layers are necessary. And lastly, I'm going to fluff the ponytail out. Not too much because I want the curls to still be defined and pretty. This is the easiest, quickest ponytail I have ever done, and I will be doing something like this again. I know that I do a lot of wig installs and quick weaves on my channel, but let me know if you guys would like to see more quick and easy everyday natural hairstyles like this. So before I show you all the ending, I would like to thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out ARHGOAT. And yeah, with that being said, that's it, that's all. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.